Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a day to night makeup look for you guys. You guys can see I've already done my base, so I've done my foundation routine already. It's just for me to obviously do my eyes and my lips and I'm good to go. The first look is going to be the day look, which is so simple. So I'm just going to grab my contour powder, which is this one, and just put this all over my crease. And yeah, by the way, I've just recorded my my new foundation routine, so that video should be up soon. I'm not sure which one's gonna go up first, but I've just literally finished recording that for you guys. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my highlight palette. This is the Morphe highlighter palette, and I'm gonna grab, thank god I have a broken nail actually, so I can do this. So I'm gonna grab this shade right here and this shade right here, mixing both of them together, and just pop that on my lid. I think I want that to pop a bit more, so I'm gonna spray my finger actually. Just gonna spray my finger. So you guys can see this is literally so simple. I'm gonna go back in with that brush that I used to define my crease and just blend around that highlighter that I've just applied all over my lid. And this is my day look done. So I'm gonna apply eyeliner. So the lashes I'll be using today are from honeyluxecollection. This is what it looks like, and this is in the style Glamour. So I'm just gonna line my lips with my sleek lip liner in the shade Just Say Nothing. And now I'm gonna apply the ABH liquid lipstick in the shade Peachy, and I'm just gonna, you know, does anyone else have this problem where it's like your lipstick doesn't want to stay right in the center of your lips, and I don't know why? It's so annoying. Now I'm going to apply some highlighter. This is the Morphe highlighter palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. This is the NYX lip gloss in the shade Sparkling Please. So I'm going to apply this all over my lips. Every time I try to do a matte lip, it just never works. Okay, cool. So this is my daytime look now, and I am done. So now for the nighttime look, we're going to switch it all the way up, okay? Even from my hair to my makeup, we're switching it all the way up, okay? To switch this up to a nighttime look, you want to make it a bit more dramatic, but you don't want to do the most at the same time, okay? So I'm going to grab my Jacket Eyeliner eyeshadow palette. I love this palette so much, it's not even a joke. So I'm going to grab Credit from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to work that into my crease basically. I'm going to use that brush that I used for the brown shade and just blend around Credit. And then I'm going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amerezy highlighter. I love this highlighter, guys, like it's not even a joke. So I've got a flat brush here. It's not really flat, it's quite dense, but we'll work with it. So I'm going to grab my setting spray and I'm going to spray that on my brush. I'm going to grab some of that Amerezy highlighter, and then we're going to pack that on our lid basically. And then now we're just going to go back in with that blending brush and just blend around. I'm not adding any more product to the brush, just going to blend around. So simple. So I'm going to do this other eye and then I'll be back. Now I'm going to grab the same brush that I used for my for the highlighter, and I'm just going to go in and use that on my cheeks as well, but very lightly because we have a lot of highlighter on the brush. So now I'm just going to grab my brush. This is the brush I used to apply my blush, and I'm just going to blend that in because I am not going out like this, trust me. Just going to apply some highlights on my brow bone. I think the next thing is I'm going to apply Credit on my lower lash line as well, just to smoke it out a bit. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some mascara, and this is the new ABH mascara. I just love how mascara just adds like a sense of drama to your eyes. It just takes it to the next level. Like, I literally feel like my makeup is not complete without me adding mascara to my bottom lashes or adding some eyeshadow to my lower lash line as well. I have to. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to line my lips again, but I'm going to be using the Morphe lip liner in the shade Trendsetter. I'm going to grab this shade from the Eyeliner palette and I'm going to apply that in my tear dots. Okay, so this is what the finished look looks like, and I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I really like how obviously I've switched it up from daytime to nighttime, and I think this look is actually quite easy to follow as well. So let me know down below what you guys think about this makeup look, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.